For me, a case study is the description of a situation, fictional or real, old or new, recent, that when discussed in class and reflected upon by students helps them to learn and to develop. That's the case. And the idea fundamentally is nothing new. Already Socrates had the idea of using real situations to transport learnings, to transport ideas. In business schools, the idea might be a little bit more recent, but has been well developed and has also very much evolved. For me, it's important that it is about the participants who engage in a dialogue to reflect upon a situation and learn from that. There is not a single style of case that I write, but I do like to write about things which are slightly out of the ordinary. So I did write quite a few cases about artists, singers, so I've taken examples from the world of art. I also do like cases which provoke a certain controversy, so where people really can have opposing opinions, because that's for me also another key thing about cases is that when you start discussing that you basically, it's not about the facts, but it's very often about the assumptions behind the facts, the assumptions the students have or the participants have in discussing. And if you can raise these assumptions to the surface, that's where learning really happens. The importance what you want to achieve. For me, I want to achieve engaged students. I want to be participant-centered. I want to make learning also fun for them, and I want to learn with them. And for me, the case method is one of the methods that transports this. But I think we at ESCP are very innovative with different models. My dear colleague Sylvain Barrault has really invented a form he calls improbable, which is an innovative method. I use cases, but I also sometimes use lectures. I also love to take students and take them and visit a company. So for me, it's really, I think you have to be very, it's about diversity and plurality of teaching methods, and that really creates an interesting atmosphere. As ESCP faculty, I have the chance to go and work with colleagues from other universities to help them develop this method. And this is really, for me, so interesting because that's really an exchange between colleagues on how can we first of all implement this method, but potentially I learn as much as they do, because the question is also how can we improve and really develop this method further. And it also shows that I think we at ESCP are very well equipped in this matter.